Patents are a powerful tool for protecting your inventions from unauthorized use or sale. But navigating the patent application process can be complex and time-consuming without proper guidance. Understanding how to apply for a patent properly can make the difference between securing your intellectual property rights and losing them entirely. A patent is a property right granted by the government that gives inventors exclusive rights to their creations. In the United States, only the actual inventor can file a patent application. There are three main types of patents: utility patents for functional inventions, which last 20 years, design patents for aesthetic features, valid for 14 years, and plant patents for new plant varieties. Before applying, you must first determine if your invention is patentable. Your creation must be novel, meaning different from prior art or existing inventions. It must also be non-obvious. Someone with average skill in your field shouldn't view it as an obvious development. And importantly, you need an actual invention, not just an idea. Ideas alone cannot be patented. The patent application process begins with thorough research. Search the patent database and relevant scientific journals to ensure your invention is unique. This research will help you describe how your creation differs from or improves upon existing inventions. When preparing your application, you'll need to include a specification with several components, an abstract previewing your invention, background information explaining what problem it solves, a summary of what it does, a detailed description of how it works, and a conclusion highlighting its advantages. You'll also need drawings of your invention and claims that describe exactly which aspects you want protected. Applications can be submitted by mail or fax, but electronic filing is typically easier. Along with your application, you'll need to include filing fees, a declaration stating you're the true inventor, and an information disclosure statement providing any additional relevant information. Once submitted, a patent examiner will be assigned to your case. Be prepared for communication with the USPTO as they review your application. Most applications aren't approved on the first attempt. The examiner may issue rejections that require responses and possibly amendments to your claims. If you're not ready for a full patent application, consider a provisional patent application. This more affordable option gives you patent pending status for 12 months while you refine your invention. It establishes an early filing date, which is crucial in the United States first-to-file system. However, your description should still be detailed, enough that someone could build your invention based on it. The cost of obtaining a patent varies widely. Government filing fees start at $140 for small entities and $280 for larger businesses. Attorney fees typically range from $5,000 to $16,000 depending on the complexity of your invention. Research fees can add another $1,000 to $3,000. For international protection, you have two main options. You can file directly in each country where you want protection, typically within 12 months of your U.S. filing. Alternatively, you can use the Patent Cooperation Treaty system, which allows you to file one international application and reserves your right to pursue protection in over 150 participating countries. Avoid common mistakes when applying for a patent. Conduct sufficient prior art research to identify existing similar patents. Don't make overly broad claims that could be easily rejected. Include detailed specifications that enable others in your field to reproduce your invention. Meet all deadlines for responses and fee payments, and maintain confidentiality about your invention before filing. The patent approval process typically takes 1 to 3 years, depending on your invention's complexity and the USPTO's backlog. Once approved, you'll need to pay maintenance fees at various intervals to keep your patent active. Understanding the patent application process thoroughly before you begin can save you time, money, and frustration. With proper preparation and possibly professional assistance, you can navigate the patent system successfully and secure the protection your invention deserves.